Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tutorialify. In this video, we are going to be learning how to add a passkey to your Canva account. To add a passkey to your Canva account, launch open the Canva application and make sure that you're logged into your account. Once you're inside the home page, tap on the menu button at the top left corner. Within the menu button, tap on your profile picture and your name at the top of the screen, which will then open up another sub-menu from where you will need to tap on Settings. Inside Settings, tap on Login and Security. Now, under Passkey, tap on the Add button. You will then be able to use your fingerprint, Face ID or screen lock to log in without needing to remember, reset or use a password. In order to turn on the setting, click on the Continue button and then you can scan your Face ID or your Touch ID and then enter the code on the next page that has been sent to you via your email. You will then receive a code via email. Go ahead and enter the code once you receive it, and then you will be able to add Passkey on your Canva account. Now, whenever you try to log into Canva, you can then go ahead and scan your Face ID or your Touch ID after enabling the Passkey option. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, make sure to give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss out another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.